Frances Payton.
Well, did start off a touch warmer this week, but don't worry, we have every type of weather that you can imagine. Well, not every type, because we're not going to say the S word, snow, because we aren't tracking that, hopefully for quite some time. But we are going to have warm temperatures. That's exactly what we dealt with today, with our highs around the low 80s this afternoon. In the sunshine, it did feel a bit hot for the end of September. But if this was too hot for you, we're cooling down by the end of the week, so just hang on tight. We're tracking a strong cold front that is going to take its sweet time moving through central Virginia. Starting tomorrow is actually as early as we can expect to see those showers, and we'll maintain those showers through Wednesday morning, becoming more scattered like by the later morning hours on a Wednesday. And behind that is going to be a good shot of some cool air, and we're going to be dealing with temperatures in the 60s with even overnight lows in the 40s by the end of the week. And then we're tracking a very wonderful weekend. We're looking at some cool temperatures, but more importantly, we're looking at some dry conditions for this upcoming weekend. Right now, we are experiencing a few isolated showers close towards Farmville as far as this evening, but that's the only game in town currently. So we're seeing dry conditions in the Richmond area for the majority of the Piedmont, sitting at 76, with our winds continuing to move in from the south, which is why we did warm up for today. We have this high pressure system that's continuing to move off towards the coast, but all that green there that you see on your satellite radar, that is the cold front that we will be experiencing tomorrow. On your satellite radar, not quite showing those isolated showers, but we do have a few showers in the Farmville area, and that is the only game in town. Keep in mind, sunset at 6:56. The sun is already set, which is why we have a pretty dark sky tracker there for you, but that's going to be a damp view by tomorrow morning. So just within the next 12 hours, we can actually expect to see those showers. Let me just take you through the hour by hour. Starting off Tuesday morning with scattered showers throughout the area. The heaviest action is going to occur in parts of southeastern Virginia. They do have a slight chance of seeing a strong storm tomorrow in parts of southeastern Virginia. As for our viewing area, we're looking at the chance of seeing light to heavy showers. The satellite radar is going to fill in by the evening hours, and we'll be dealing with some widespread activity within the overnight hours. But by Wednesday morning, this will start to break up. Behind this cold front will be breezy conditions, but it's going to feel a bit like fall behind the cold front, and we're going to expect to see a touch of sunshine by later in the afternoon on Wednesday. But let's get into those rainfall totals. We have an additional cold front that will just sweep through on Thursday, late Thursday evening. So between Tuesday and Wednesday's event and also Thursday's event, we're tracking anywhere between 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. Some areas could likely see close to 2 inches of rainfall close towards the southeastern portion of Virginia. Let me take you through the hour by hour. If you notice, temperatures starting to cool down. Tomorrow will be close to what's seasonal for this time of year, around the mid to upper 70s. And then we have that shot of cold air, temperatures dropping to the 60s by the end of this week. And if you notice, overnight on Friday, it is going to be a bit cold outside. Temperatures are going to drop into the 40s, but we have a wonderful, crisp, cool fall weekend. It's never too early to look ahead to the weekend coming up. Bill?
Thank you, Frances.